Hey guys, hope you all are doing pretty good. Well, nowadays 3D nail art is trending again. And if you are bored with nail design with simple pattern, then 3D manicure can suit you well. Here I am today going to show you the easiest technique to create 3D nail art designs with polygel. This video is going to be very useful for the beginners who wanted to learn 3D nail art with the help of polygel. Well, first, every beginner wants to know what the polygel is. Basically, polygel, which is sold in a tube, is much like a toothpaste and is a mixture of acrylic powder and clear gel. And polygel also has putty-like consistency and is extremely easy to apply and shape. Even polygel offers nail professional the time and the space to really deliver on sculpting and constructing the most architecturally structured nail. Even the polygel has the advantage of not smelling anything, unlike acrylic, so it is more pleasant to work with. Now here I am going to describe you the steps to make 3D polygel figures. First, pour a little bit of slip solution into a jar. Second, take out a small amount of any colored polygel you want and place it on a silicone mat or a butter paper, like just I did. Third, dip your brush into the slip solution and shape your figures. Fourth, repeat it until you are satisfied with the shape you want. Just like the way you can see right now, as even I am repeating the process again by dipping my brush into the slip solution again and again and transforming the polygel into the desired shape. Here I am creating 3D polygel balloons of different shapes just to acknowledge the fact that you can create any shape you thought of. Once you get contented with the shape you want, you can easily follow the fifth step, which is catalyze your figures under a UV or LED lamp. The normal time is 2 minutes for the UV lamp and 30 seconds for the LED lamp. Until now, using the polygel, I felt that the best part of polygel is that it offers a flexible, lightweight and stronger nail enhancement option, which helps in making them more suitable for those who is learning about polygel. So I guess now you can easily understand that polygel can be best described as hybrid formula that combines the durability of acrylic nails and the elasticity application of gel nails. Exactly, this type of manicure is an effective and volume accessory that can be created by any girl. Even nowadays, every woman tries to show and distinguish themselves, so 3D manicure is quite an extraordinary decorative element for everyone. So you can see that you don't need to visit beauty salons for creating 3D polygel nail art designs, as you can create this at home also. Likewise, I just created these shapes of balloon, heart, Mickey Mouse face and star. So you can judge that it can be done at home also, and even it is not so difficult as you expect. I have trimmed the shape of these balloons with the help of scissors to make them look better. And after all this process, here comes the 6th point. Color your figures with nail paint to make it look better. Well, I have used normal nail paints here on my 3D figures of balloons which I created with the help of polygel. But you can even use gel nail paints, and if you use gel nail paints, then you have to cure them again. Now, as if my all 3D 5 balloons are ready, so I am going to paste them on my nail. With the help of polygel again, now I am going to show you that how I am going to create 3D thread design on my nail so that I can hold my 3D balloons over it. After completing the whole process, I am just going to color these thread design to make them look more natural. And I am sure that you all would love to try polygel 3D nail art designs. I choose the balloon shaped 3D nail art design because I feel this is a bright and youthful design and will definitely going to look amazing in summer. And I will advise, if you are a beginner and trying to create 3D nail art design with the help of polygel, as your skills are developing, then you can try to create more interesting compositions using different color of polygels. 3D nail art, which is also known as 3-dimensional artwork, can be created on natural fingers or on fake nails. Well, I will usually prefer these 3D nail art designs on fake nails because they can be applied over the wearer's natural fingernails easily. And even the artist or a wearer can remove them and can wear them again just like their own will. Just like these 3D balloons, I have already created 3D numbers design for one of my friend. And in the end of the video, I am definitely going to add the pictures of 3D numbers that I have created before. Even I really wanted to show you, like these 3D balloon designs, how these 3D number designs turn out. By adding a little drop of nail art glue, I have pasted my 3D figures on it. And now here comes the last step. Always seal your nail art design with a good branded top coat. And it is always advisable for 3D nail art designs that it is better to have 3D gel nail design done only for one day, as they can hardly be kept for more than one day. However, whenever you will wear them, you will definitely draw attention and you will definitely going to be the center of attraction. I hope you will positively like these 3D balloons which I have created with the help of polygel, just to show you that how can we create polygel 3D nail art designs. I am sure that this video is going to be very useful, especially for beginners. Please subscribe my channel for more informative, knowledgeable and creative content like this. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye.